Well, hello, y'all. How you like my new little teddy bear hat? My daughter bought this for me because she, Mama Bear, you know. Well, salute, y'all. It's time for a Bible chat, and I thought I'd wear my cute little teddy bear hat, okay? All right. So let's get to this. Oh, I was reading in the scriptures. Now, I always say, I've read the Bible over and over and over, but you always find something in there, no matter how many times you read it. And this I thought was interesting, okay, y'all? All right. Now, this is in Genesis 50, verse 2. Oh, I just clicked that out there. Sorry, y'all. Okay. It says, "And Joseph commanded his servants, the physicians, to embalm his father, and the physicians embalmed Israel," which was Joseph's dad. Then later on, in verse 26, it says, "So Joseph died, being 110 years old, and they embalmed him, and he was put in a coffin in Egypt." Now, we understand Joseph being embalmed because he was, that was his culture, after his brother sold him and he was enslaved and all that kind of stuff, and told his dad that he died and brought the coat of many colors to his dad with that lamb's blood on it and all that, okay? We understand Joseph did, but he also embalmed Israel. And I was always wondered about that sort of thing, about the embalming and cremation and stuff like that. It's just little things you can learn in the scripture. And Joseph and Israel both was very close to God. So that's a thing. So I just thought I'd tell y'all, I know it's kind of morbid, but it's interesting, okay? Well, I'm going to go ahead and do next Thursday's video for y'all. Okay, so you'll see the hat again. All right, love y'all.